You've heard the names, Credit Karma and Tiller Money, but when it comes to tracking your finances, which one truly helps you take control? On one side, there's Credit Karma, free, user-friendly, and packed with features. On the other, Tiller Money, customizable spreadsheets designed for financial power users. We're diving deep, from budgeting tools and automation, to security, pricing, and how each one actually fits into your daily routine. Forget the marketing fluff. This is all about what works and what doesn't. We'll score them category by category, so by the end, you'll score them category by category, so by the end, you'll know exactly which app deserves a spot in your financial toolbox. And trust me, the winner here might just surprise you. Let's crediting and how each one actually fits into your daily routine. Alright, let me show you what we're looking at today. First up, obviously, is price. That's a big one. Then we're talking financial tracking, integrations, privacy, insights and reports, ease of use, and of course, the whole ecosystem each one lives in. So let's break it down one by one. Starting with price, and oh man, Credit Karma kinda wins by a landslide here. It's just totally free. No upgrades, no hidden fees though. Fair warning, it is ad supported. Tiller on the other hand, well, you get a 30-day trial, but after that, it's a paid thing, $79 a year as of 2025. So if you want zero commitment, Credit Karma is your pick here. Now, financial tracking. This is where it gets interesting. Credit Karma's great for free credit score checks and will ping you if anything major pops up, but you won't get robust budgeting tools. You can't even manually edit transactions if you need to, which you might miss if you're trying to micromanage, you know? But Tiller Money? Oh, and here's something cool. Tiller plugs right into your spreadsheets and gives you crazy control. Full customization, super detailed budgets, and it imports stuff from like 20,000 banks automatically. Only catch? You've got to be okay using spreadsheets. But for control freaks, in a good way. It rocks according micromanage, you know? But for this round, Tiller Money. Oh, and here's something cool. Let's talk integrations. Credit Karma's main thing is hooking up with the credit bureaus. Super easy, but pretty limited if you want to do more. Tiller's got deeper integrations, like you can use Google Sheets, Excel, and your bank feeds just update automatically. Only catch, you gotta have a Google or Microsoft account, but who doesn't these days? For flexibility, Tiller runs away with it again. Quick fun fact, did you know the term credit score only really caught on in the 1980s? Like, it wasn't even common language before then? Imagine trying to get a loan back then, huh? Privacy. A huge one. Credit Karma is free, but that's because, well, they're kind of selling your data for advertising. Not the worst trade-off for some folks, but if you're privacy paranoid, you might pause. Tiller Money doesn't do ads, and they're not selling your info, but of course, you do have to trust them with bank access. Still, I gotta say, if privacy is a top priority for you, Tiller comes off a little stronger. Let's look at insights and reports. Credit Karma will show you the basics, some tips, some alerts. But that's about it, honestly. If you want to analyze spending and trends, it's kind of bare bones. Tiller, though, goes full spreadsheet magic. Custom reports, charts, dashboards. Heck, if you know formulas, the sky's the limit. There is a little setup involved, but the trade-off is huge customization. So yep, another win for Tiller. Okay, ease of use. Here's where Credit Karma bounces back. Like, you just sign up and boom, you're in. Super simple, dead easy, barely any learning curve at all. Tiller? You gotta be able to handle spreadsheets. They do give you templates and a help center, which is nice, but if the idea of opening Excel makes you sweat, this could be a deal breaker. For pure usability, gotta hand it to Credit Karma. Ecosystem is kind of a toss-up. Credit Karma's massive tons of users plus dedicated mobile apps. But if you want to export or share data, it's not super flexible. Tiller works on the cloud, shares templates, plays nice across Google and Microsoft, so it's everywhere you need it. Except, oddly, there isn't a standalone mobile app, so you'll either have to use a browser or Google Sheets mobile app. Kinda balanced, so I'd call this one a tie. Alright, if you look at the side-by-side, Tiller Money kind of dominates on tracking, integrations, privacy, and reporting. But Credit Karma still crushes it on price and ease of use, with both platforms holding their own in the ecosystem. So the radar slanting definitely in Tiller's favor for power users. So what's my take? Listen, if you just want a free, super quick snapshot of your credit with zero hassle, Credit Karma is honestly all you need. But if you're the kind of person who wants to really dig in and see every corner of your financial world, maybe build wild custom budgets, Tiller Money is absolutely the way to go. And yeah, the winner here? Got to give it to Tiller Money. All those features, the power, the privacy, it just inches ahead, even with the yearly fee. If this helped you, why not dive deeper? You can compare even more tools and find your perfect financial setup. Total financial freedom is out there. Go get it.